Look at me just rubbing it around my face like a psycho. Hello! Right, you've seen the title and the thumbnail, hopefully, so I think you know what's coming. I was in the attic earlier, you know, as you normally are, and I found my mum's old brushes when she did this makeup course. It's called You Spicy, and there's 32 makeup brushes in there, and I was like, oh my god. Oh, one fell out. Like, I was gonna buy. Look at them. That's cool. I actually looked it up on Amazon and they're only like £16 for the entire thing. So for 32 brushes, and they're all quite soft too. They're like genuinely pretty soft. That's pretty good. So maybe I'll learn to actually apply makeup like like you're supposed to. This is going to be a full face of collection products. I didn't buy anything for this video, but I have so many collection things. I thought I've already moisturised my face. I'm just going to put some concealer on and have a guess what this is going to be. Of course, it's the Lasting Perfection Concealer. I've sworn by this for about 8 years and it's great. Even though I've got some dodgy looking skin. There's absolutely nothing wrong with having acne or anything like that, obviously. Like, it's very common, and if you have it, twins. You definitely don't have to cover your skin, but I personally just think it makes me feel a bit more confident. So yes, this is the Lasting Perfection Concealer, and I have it in 2 shades. Well, actually I have it in 3 shades. This one is number 1, which is Fair. I've also got it in 1A, which is Cool Fair, and then I've got Cool Medium as well, but that's a bit dark, so I'm just going to use this on my face. And honestly, this is what I used to do every day. Like, every single day I would do a full face of makeup, but I wouldn't use any foundation. I've only recently started using it because I've found ones that work with my skin and don't just make it look horrible and cakey. And as you can see, it oxidizes, but it oxidizes to my skin colour, so it's convenient. Yeah, the only problem with this is you have to dip in a few times because the doe foot is quite small. I'm going to blend out with my finger because it's quite a thick concealer, so, and I've always found it works fine with my finger. Look at me just rubbing it around my face like a psycho. Alright, if you've got dry skin, I wouldn't recommend rubbing it around with your finger, but mine's not too bad. So yeah, don't put too much on my forehead, but I just put it where I need it, and as you can see, coverage is great. It's enough to give me some more confidence. So, right, I'm just gonna quickly do my blusher. I don't have the collection one because I'm a terrible person. And do they do blushes? They probably do. This is just the MUA one. Okay, now I have a collection bronzer. Alright, here it is. It's a Mosaic one. I've had this for quite some time. Yeah, this is just a Mosaic one, and it's in 2, which is Radiant, and it's quite a shimmery bronzer, as you can probably tell, but it doesn't look too crazy when it's on your face. It's more like a contour shade actually. It's not a very warm bronzer at all, but hey, maybe I'll use it as contour from now on. It's quite nice to blend out though. It's a nice natural looking one, but it's quite shimmery. I don't know if you can tell. I don't mind that, to be honest. Oh no! Alright, I forgot to powder my face. This is the Lasting Perfection powder in 01 Fair. I'm just going to add this to anywhere where my makeup comes off first. This is pretty good. Well, I mean, it must have been good because I've definitely hit pan on that. Just to add a bit more coverage around here as well, because it does add a bit of coverage too. Sister's just jamming. It's actually a pretty good powder. I don't know why I don't use this hardly at all anymore. And it came with a sponge, but who uses a sponge these days? Right, now this is just a MUA highlighter because I didn't have a highlighter. But I just wanted to use this because it's so pretty. Like, let me just show you, like, let me just look at that. I'll play it with my finger because why not? Oh my god, I've got brushes. Little fan brush. If Collection do blusher and highlighter, maybe I will invest in some. And if you're interested, I can test them out, you know? I mean, I'm only a very tiny little, just teeny little YouTuber. I'm only 5'3", and so, you know, none of these are obviously going to be sponsored or anything. So these are all my honest opinions, if that helps. Right, so this is the Collection, obviously, Incredibrow brow kit, and this is in Brunette. I've used this for quite a few months. And it comes with a little brow mascara, so I'm just going to try and tame my eyebrows with this. And then it comes with this little angled brush, and it has like a thin brush on the other side. I just use the middle brown shade. So I mainly focus on the ends of my eyebrows and then towards the middle, so I work my way towards the middle and just use the excess product here, if that makes any sense. So that way it's not such a harsh, okay, well, they don't look so blocky. My eyebrows change all the time. I look back at some pictures of them now and I'm like, honey. Right, so I've got two eyeshadow palettes by Collection. This is the Eyes Uncovered one. I've had this for a long time. And this is like a nude bronze palette. And then this is the Glam Crystals one. My mum got this for me, thanks mum. There are some pretty colours in it actually. I quite like this purple one. It's kind of got like a slight duochrome effect, as you might be able to see. But they're all shimmer shades. Okay, I'm going to do like a coppery kind of look. So I'm going to use this coppery metallic shade here. Well, they're all kind of metallic. And put that in my crease. Now this might look, oh wow, okay, it's very dusty. It's going to be quite a bit of fallout with this, I think. Hello? Anybody home? Oh, there we go. That's better. I mean, not too bad. I might just use my finger, to be honest, why not? Now I'm going to use this gold colour here on the centre of my eyelid. This is a very simple look today, you know. I've had a long day of work. Ooh, it's quite nice actually. I was watching Angelica Oles again earlier, and she makes me want to buy a Pat McGrath palette. Oh my god, they are, they look so nice, especially like the special shades like towards the right hand side. There always seems to be like this really nice looking duochrome colour in there, and but they're £115. Can anyone recommend me a good duochrome eyeshadow? Because I would just buy that as a single. Like, it's so nice. Okay, this is actually a magnetic palette. I'm going to use some of this white shade here on my inner corner. They are quite nicely pigmented. I mean, as you can see, that's really shiny. then I am actually going to use one of these foam things to put the copper under my eye. It's been a while since I've used one of these. I mean, all this stuff is like really cheap. Most of my makeup is drugstore because I don't know, I just can't really justify spending loads of money, like 50 quid on like a foundation or something, because this looks fine, like what I've got on now, and it was only £4.19, so do you know what I mean? Unless it is that good, unless it's like absolutely the best foundation I will ever use. Yeah, just put a bit of that yellow towards my inner corner. Yeah, they're not too bad, to be fair. Like, it looks okay. If you want just like a shimmery look on your eyes, because I have it. This is the Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner. Now, I've also had this for a while, so hopefully I won't get pink eye, but we'll find out. Actually, no, this is for after. No, Sophie, calm down. Not yet. First, I'm going to do my normal eyeliner. And this is the Collection Extreme 24-Hour Felt Tip Liner. I think I've mentioned this in every single video. But just like the concealer, I've used it for so long. And it's really good. The tip is a little bit thicker than I'd like it to be, but I'm used to it. I'm a child. See? It's so pigmented and like it lasts all day. It's so good. Even one time, this is a bit gross, but I left it on all night by accident. Like I took my face makeup off and then I just kind of forgot, and then I went to sleep and rubbed my eyes and then looked in the mirror and it was still on. Like I could still see the flick. I was like, what the hell? So that's some idea of how long it lasts. Now I'm going to use that glittery gel liner over the top, well, above it. Ooh, okay. It's pretty good actually. Oh my god, it's all like stuck to, ew. I shouldn't be using this on my eyes. You probably can't even see it. I mean, for like Christmas or something, this would be quite nice. You did like a red and silver eye and just put this on your eyelid or something, like wow. So yeah, that's my eyes at the moment. I have the Glam Crystals. This is very glam and crystally look, isn't it? Holographic lip topper. It's not quite holographic, it's more like iridescent, but so I'm gonna use this. Whoa. Can you see that? It's blue. Oh my god. Ah, it's literally blue. What? This is literally my ideal lipstick as a kid. Like this whole makeup look. I would love it. Whoa. See, like, I don't know where I'd wear this, but it is cool. Yeah, I like that. It makes your lips look really shiny too. Oh, I did that. This is a look. Right, mascara, I don't actually have a collection one either, but most of this has been collection, so I should probably just be like most of a face of collection makeup. Oh my god, clickbait. Tricked you all. Okay, so this is the finished face. I mean, there were a couple products that weren't collection, but I do actually quite like this. It looks pretty. I like my skin looks pretty nice, like, just saying. Just tooting my own horn a bit there, but my skin never normally looks nice. Be a nice, just like a simple, more natural kind of glam. Yeah, what do you think? Let me know. So yes, that has been my full face of collection makeup. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye! Just to give you a close-up of my face. So yeah, that lip topper is actually pretty cool.